Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This little tool really comes in handy when you're working with cable. So we use this to terminate and crimp CAT5 cable that we were using for our internet setup. And this makes really quick work of feeding the wires into the terminal and crimping and cutting at the same time. So rather than having your little wires all twisted and trying to individually cut them to length, this takes care of it in one easy step. And even as amateurs, we were able to get this done with no trouble at all. It's really small and compact, so it's great to take with you if you work in this industry. It's easy to keep in a tool belt or a tool bag. It's pretty lightweight and it has a nice grip. So when you're actually crimping, it's comfortable to do, it's ergonomic, it fits in your hand well. So we're really happy with the ease of use of this product and how it made our little job so much faster. Would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.